Every banana blossom begins its journey here, rooted in soil and sweat. Harvesting banana blossoms demands patience, precision, and tradition. Only the strongest banana blossoms move forward in the process. From field to factory, banana blossoms begin their transformation. The road ahead carries banana blossoms into a world few ever witness. Once loaded, banana blossoms leave the fields behind. Every mile adds weight to the banana blossom's journey.
Care during transport protects the delicate banana blossom.
An aging factory awaits the arrival of banana blossoms.
Crossing this threshold changes everything for the banana blossom.
Here, banana blossoms enter the heart of processing. This aging structure holds decades of banana blossom processing.
Every banana blossom is logged by hand, just like it always was.
Inside, banana blossoms meet a harsher reality. Nothing is polished here. Only proven systems remain. The banana blossom's transformation begins now. From this point on, banana blossoms never stop moving.
The first wash strips away field dirt from banana blossoms. Even machines rely on human hands at this stage.
Cleaned banana blossoms rise toward inspection.
Only usable banana blossoms earn the next step.
Nothing unnecessary moves forward with the banana blossom.
Prepared banana blossoms advance without pause.
The heart of the banana blossom is finally revealed.
Gravity guides banana blossoms deeper into processing.
Steel blades shape banana blossoms with brutal efficiency. Human judgment still guards the banana blossom. Time and water preserve the banana blossom's color. Core processing ends. Transformation begins.
Now, banana blossoms prepare for irreversible change.
Heat reshapes the banana blossom at its core. Experience decides when banana blossoms are ready.
Cooked banana blossoms emerge transformed. Moisture must be stripped from the banana blossom. Pressure finishes what heat began for banana blossoms. Automation enters quietly into banana blossom processing.
Each banana blossom is measured in milliseconds.
Machines now decide the path of the banana blossom.
Drying stabilizes the banana blossom for longevity.
Time, air, and heat complete the change. The banana blossom leaves automation fully redefined.
Cooling locks the banana blossom into its final form. Precision prepares banana blossoms for judgment.
Nothing escapes the final human eye.
Exact weight matters in banana blossom processing.
Proof replaces trust from this point forward. Here, banana blossoms face scientific scrutiny.
Numbers reveal what the eye cannot.
Every batch of banana blossoms must prove itself.
Structure defines the quality of banana blossoms.
Nothing unwanted leaves with the banana blossom.
Cleared banana blossoms return to the production line. Every banana blossom now takes its final shape for delivery. Precision in packaging preserves the banana blossom's journey. Orderly movement ensures no banana blossom is left behind. Stacks rise, ready for shipment.
Shelved banana blossoms await the next journey.
Destination decided, banana blossoms leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce banana blossoms from start to finish.